Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dolce Gabbana DG2233. This model comes in 4 different colors. I only have one to show you because all the rest is back order right now, but this is the most popular color out right now, and this always going on back order. But it's probably one of the hottest Dolce Gabbana frames out right now. Alright, so let's take an unboxing. Alright, so it comes in this black Dolce Gabbana box. This logo on the front, it's pretty new, probably this year. I don't know if it's like a standard for everything now, or it's just maybe a particular like collection, but... And inside, you're gonna of course get your sunglass case. You're gonna get your drawstring bag case. Not the best cloth in the world, but better than nothing. And also includes the warranty booklet. Let me try and find English. I can never find it's like how to use your sunglasses, and a certificate of guarantee and certificate of authenticity. Whoops. And alright, so this one, it is a leather case. It's a nice leather case with a Dolce Gabbana embossed on the front. This is a pretty standard case now. A lot of the frames that come in with this particular one now. I wouldn't say it's the best case just because it's pretty flimsy. It's not really going to protect your sunglasses if you sit on it, but alright, so here they are. It's a big statement, right? So these are a men's frame. I mean, I personally wouldn't wear this, but if you're comfortable wearing something that says Dolce Gabbana written really large, you know, I mean, it looks good on some people, but I don't think I can pull it off. So it is a shield lens, so meaning it's just one piece. So with the big lettering Dolce Gabbana, and on the sides it's the same material. I'm a little unsure what material it is. I assume it's some kind of plastic or something like that. But it does kind of have this like matte feeling to them. Then it also has Dolce Gabbana written on the sides because, you know, you can't have too many Dolce Gabbanas. It's no mistaking this for another brand. Definitely. Alright, so on the left, I don't know if you can see it. It'll have the model information. It'll read DG2233. The color code for this one is D01-87. It has the size info, just the temple length. I'll tell you in a second. And on the sides, it says Dolce Gabbana, made in Italy. And also the nose pads here, they do have DG written on the inside, the emblem, and the nose pads are adjustable. If you like push it in with the metal, it can be adjusted, you know, to better fit your nose a little bit better. So with the color, it's a shiny black with white, Dolce Gabbana like logos, and just a simple gray lens. It is pretty dark. I wouldn't really say black, but you know, it's definitely dark, as you can see. With the sides, it's gonna be, so the lens height, so from here to here, it's gonna be 52 millimeters. With the lens width from here to here, so not including this bit, it's 135 millimeters. If you include the temple, like here, the full length is gonna be 143 millimeters, and then the temple length So from here to here, it's going to be 145 millimeters. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but it also does have Dolce Gabbana written in little letters at the temple ends. I mean, how many times does it say Dolce Gabbana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like 6 times if you don't include just the DG. Again, you cannot mistake this for another frame. So this, it was intended for men. It is a men's frame. Dolce Gabbana does describe it as a men's frame, but I've seen quite a lot of women wear it, so I feel like more women would wear this frame and be more comfortable with it, to be honest. I mean, would you guys like wear this? It's a bit much, I feel like. But, you know, overall I would say it's a very, very nice frame. Well made. With weight-wise, it's actually not as heavy as you may think, but most of the weight is definitely on the lens. Like, you know, it's not balanced. It's really heavy on the front, but not too crazy. With size, you know, it's definitely on the larger side, so it'll fit most people. It's definitely a medium, large. It's more than a medium, but definitely if you have a small face, these are gonna be pretty big. But you know, it should fit most people. If it looks good on most people, that's a different story. But you know, anything with Dolce Gabbana written on the lens has been very, very popular. What else can I say? Also this one, it is slightly on the pricier side. It's gonna retail for $410. If you know, you could probably find it cheaper, but it does retail for $410, so it is on the pricier side. But definitely it is a pretty nice, well-made frame. Alright, well, hopefully you liked this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. If you can, please give it a like and also subscribe. Have a good day, guys.